All right, welcome to the SAT question of the day for Sunday, November 29th. So this is a medium math problem. Let's check it out. 7 cards are in a pile numbered 1 through 7. One card is drawn. The units digit of the sum of the numbers on the remaining cards is 7. What is the number on the card, the drawn card? Alright, so this one is one of those perfect problems where I always say, you know what, if you could sit down and take the test and they give you a magic box and you could reach into the box and pull out what they're actually talking about, nobody would miss these problems because you could look at what they're talking about. Now this one also brings in some terminology, so let's break it down. 7 cards in a pile are numbered 1 through 7. So this is what I'm talking about. We don't have that. What does that mean? Yeah, 7 cards numbered 1 through 7. So what's something you can do because you don't have that magic box that actually has the cards in it? Yes, start writing them out, right? 1, 2, 3, and so on. Go ahead, list them out. It'll take you far less time to do it with your pen and paper than it does with me and my mouse. All right, so we know we've got these 7 cards. 1 card is drawn. So they're going to take 1 card away. Now this is where it gets a little weird. They say the units digit of the sum of the numbers on the remaining cards is 7. So first of all, remaining cards. Every word is important. So they're talking about the card that was pulled or the cards that are left over. Right, it's the leftover cards. But then what about this thing? What does units mean, right? That is the weird sort of word of the day right there. Units? What is a units digit? Some of you know this, some of you don't. But this is one of those terms that the SAT will use, and it's sometimes confusing. Units is the same thing as the ones digit, right? So in a number like 101, the units digit is 1. 33, the units digit is 3. It's the same as the ones place. So if you want, you could even cross it out and write your own, right? Just to remember, ones, okay? That is the ones place. My mouse handwriting isn't that great, but you get the idea. So the ones digit on the sum of the numbers of the remaining cards is 7. What is the number on the drawn card? So sum, they want you to add them up together. So here's the question. What did we have before we pulled away any cards? Right. You had 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way up to 7. Well, what's their sum? You got it. If you add them all up together, you get 28. What's the units digit right now? Perfect. It's an 8. So how do we get it to be a 7? You got it. Subtract 1. We're getting rid of this card right here. And never ever forget the most important thing in any question is what do they want to know? What is the number of the card drawn? Well, looks like it's going to be 1. How you guys feel? You ready to check this out? Let's do it. And correct. They said they're doing the same thing. You sum them up and then you just got to know what that terminology is. Wow, look at that though. 57% incorrect out of 131,581. Let's do another little math problem. 0.57. 57% of 131,581. 75,000. Well, I hope you guys are all watching this video and learning to get it right. And of course, don't forget, hit up the website, my100points.com. Check out more tips, get the books. I want to help you guys out. Thanks for doing the question of the day today.